That's not good. I'm gonna have to fix that because it's gonna be raining all day. I don't think that gutter's clogged. I see there's a stick there. It's kind of cold to be going out in the rain today, but gotta get that fixed. It's full. Okay, I gotta move the ladder over to the other side and see what the problem is. Okay. Unclogged. Looks like the problem is already solved. That looks pretty good now. That is 100% resolved. Now I'm going to take a look in the back and see how it's coming out. Much more flow than there was before.